What's up, peoples, friends, hello, people, friends, newcomers, oldcomers, whoever's new to this channel, whoever's new to me. Hello, my name is MrDaleOG, and in today's video, I'm going to show you how I finally conquered the beast of not having good, proper, high quality audio. I started trying to figure out how to get proper audio in like 2018, April 2018, and I just got it a little while ago. You can watch my first motovlog and you can hear the audio, and I'll insert a clip here. And I'll do another video on this because if you guys out there struggling and you just want to get down to it, you just want to motovlog, I can understand how frustrating not getting everything to the way you want it to be can be, and I struggle with that, so I will make a video about that. Okay, help is on the way. And you see that audio sounds crisp and clear, and it makes me happy. So in this video, I want to make it short. I'm already about a minute in. I want to make this short and probably like 5 to 8 minutes, hopefully, so that way you guys can get the information right away and then get out there and start motovlogging. Can you back up? You're in my shot. You're still in the yep. Okay, thanks. Thank you. All right. So I'm gonna tell you guys how to use this. Once you get your footage, off your GoPro or whatever you recorded on, you would remove your SD card, put it on your, however you edit, put it into whatever software, and then you will come onto your Tascam, remove your SD card again, and do the same thing that you would do with your GoPro. So that way you separate the audio. You have great high quality audio from your Tascam on one SD card, and then your visual on your other SD card from your GoPro. That's really actually the basics of it. That's literally what it is and how you get things done, how you get high quality audio. I'm gonna try to get this as a screenshot or something. Let me see, not a screenshot, what's it, thumbnail? Give me a second, guys. That looks cool, that looks nice. When I first had the adapter, what I was thinking I'd be able to do is just plug the adapter into the GoPro and then from there just be able to ride. But the adapter, for some reason, for me, this is a Hero 7 Silver. For some reason, the adapter did not work, so I was not able to use the adapter. And I struggled looking for things. I was trying to find out what's the best thing to use. Watched a lot of videos. I don't even remember the links for all of them, but I watched a lot of videos and, just research, trial and error. It took me months to get this done, and I finally figured it out. Not figured it out, but I finally found the right videos. It's gonna take a little bit more work. Only downside that I don't like about the Tascam is how much prep time it takes. It's not easy as just, you put on your GoPro, you plug in your adapter, and you go. With this, you have to, let me see if I can show you. You have to plug in your mic, first of all. And this mic, if you have, guys, could use a Sony ECM. I haven't tested it out yet, but I plan to. But I bought both of these from B&H. I bought both of these from B&H. I'll put the links in the description. But you plug your mic through here. Okay. And then you get ready to record by pressing record. I like this function because it allows you to set your levels and all that stuff, such as gain. And when you guys get this and you figure it out, you just test this part. This is the easy part about the motovlogging thing. Figuring out how much of the bike do you want to be heard, how much outside do you want to be heard. Just knowing that all it takes to properly motovlog with high quality audio is a GoPro and this thing right here. Yeah, you set your whatever you want to set it to, your levels, and once you're ready to record, you press the actual record button, and once you're ready to stop, you press the stop button. And that's it. You have great audio. From there, you just, like I said, take the SD card out, put it in your SD card reader, put that into whatever system you have. And unfortunately, if you have a newer MacBook like mine, you're gonna have to spend money on this stuff. Like, I really don't like what they did with this. Like, I get it, as a business, it allows them to make more money because they're selling the parts, but for us, it's unnecessary to carry around a little piece like this. Like, it's very unnecessary. So that's that, peoples. I would say, I don't know what other options there are out there, and if you guys have options that work for you, feel free to list them down below, because not everybody has I believe this was $115, $120. I'm not sure. Not everybody has that, they can spend that. So if you have any do-it-yourself options or anything that you came up with that you find out works, please list it down below. You don't know who you can help out. But I would say, for me, I really love using this Tascam. Besides the prep time, it looks cool. It's like a really nice colorway. It looks awesome. Looks like I have like an old Nokia flip phone. I mean, not even flip phone, like a brick phone, but it's like a zapper at the same time, I love the opening animation. See if I could do it for you guys. And the closing one. Ready? All right, this is the opening. That's cool. And then the closing. Lit. There's also multiple uses for it. You can use it to record yourself if you want to overlay text like Yami Noob does. You can use it for music. You can use it for whatever other thing your imagination wants you to use it for that you have audio involved. I would say this is the way to go. It's awesome. In terms of how to sync up the audio, I'll put another page in the description, but I'm telling, like I said, that's the least of your problems. That's the easy thing to do. But the quick way to do it, people say do a snap, or a clap, stand in front of the camera and the audio, speak into the mic and go 1, 2, 3. And then once you get into your editing software, line up both the sound waves from both like sources of information, line up the audio and line up the visual. And then when you see those spikes, match them up. And once you have that sounding perfectly together, delete the audio from the GoPro. And that's simple syncing. And I'm just happy I got this done. Got this not figured out, but I finally found out the information because this has been so long. Give it a shot, guys. Give it a try. And I'm looking forward to see some dope motovlogging videos. Okay? This is MrDaleOG, and I am out. Love you guys. Stay safe, ride safe, be happy, live life.